Hello everyone, today I'm going to take you through the process of creating a logo in Canva. Once you are at the canva.com website and logged in, you are ready to go, and we can start by searching for a logo template over at the search bar over here, or we can directly go and create a design. Okay, I'm just can search it from here. You can search for a logo and you will get a lot of options if you want, because the logos for different areas are different. So it's like for YouTube channel logo you have a 800 by 800, but a normal logo you can create in a 500 by 500 pixels. So whichever suits you, you choose that. And once you choose the required, you will actually be directed to a blank canvas, and from there you will see that you can see a lot of pre-made templates which you can make changes to. Just scroll around and search for the one that you like. Okay, I don't want a YouTube logo, so I am actually doing a normal logo over here. So this is 500 by 500. Okay, so once it loads, you can see that it is actually giving me a lot of options over here, so I can choose. I actually want to search for something called maybe a logo. You can type in any alphabet over here and you will be directed to a lot of pre-made templates. If you type logo L, you'll see this. If you type logo C, you'll see something else. So all these are different variations that you can use. It is not necessary that you should choose just one template. You can actually choose multiple templates and combine the elements from these. So this is what I'm going to try and show you over here. The theme or the logo design that I'm making is for the lazy cook. So I just want to play around with the letter L and letter C and see what we can come up with. Okay, so I'm just going to find something that is something that I like. Okay, this looks really cool. Okay, I can choose this, and I want a L also, so I'm going to try and see if I can find something similar that is along the waves of the sea. See, something similar is also created here, so I'm just going to add a page, and I'm going to choose this. Okay, so this looks nice. So if I can possibly combine these two, I can make a logo out of it. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste the L over here, and you can just play around and see how the combination works out, maybe side by side, maybe overlapping, or no. So we can try playing around with it and see what we can do. So I'm just going to try and do just that. So I've been trying a few things, as you can see, and apart from just playing around with these letters, you can actually try to implement or put in some of the elements you can find in Canva. If you search for, since this is called a lazy cook, I can search for something maybe culinary or utensils and see what I can find, and try to incorporate that into my design. I'm just playing around with these things. It's not like I'm confirmed that I'm going to use this or do this. So I'm just trying out a few things. So go to utensils, and from here, okay, I see fork and spoon, plate, chef's hat, and okay, maybe you can just play around with this and see how it goes. Okay, so this is a vector image and you can change the color. Just click on the color and maybe choose the color of the logo itself. You can use contrasting colors as well. or maybe just reduce the size and maybe rotate it and see if it can fit nicely somewhere. Or okay, it doesn't really look that nice. Okay, I think I don't want to use this. Maybe I'll just get rid of it. Maybe I can add maybe I can add a circle or an ellipse to this and see how the logo turns out. Okay, so this positioning is very weird. I don't want to use it. Okay, I'm going to search for a circle, and from here I can get a lot of variations. And okay, the brown one looks quite nice. Okay, let me just change it to static so that I don't get the animated circles. Okay, so this brown one looks nice, so I can just send it to back and reduce the size. Okay, but this I won't be able to change the color of this one over here. Okay, just looking like a traditional logo, but I'm not really convinced with the look. Nope. We try a different color maybe. Okay, let's try blue, but I don't think it's going to show through that too much. Maybe if I change the color of the lettering to white, it would really show through. Okay, this is also no, maybe I'll just reduce the transparency a little bit and see how it goes. Okay, this looks pretty okay to me. The color is okay. You can reduce the size of it a little bit and position. Okay, this is I think this is okay, but I want to try something else, maybe something entirely different from this. Okay, I just want to search. Okay, so maybe just use this one. I actually like the font of that, the black one. Yes, the black template of the restaurant. I'll just click on this, and I like the font of this, and I just want to get rid of all the other elements over here. Okay. Let me just write everything down and delete everything that I don't want. Okay, and I'm going to search. Okay, so this is if you want to use this, and if it is a vector image, you really like that image, and you can actually change the colors of it if it allows you to do so, so that you will get your unique logo. But I don't want this. I want to search for something else. I'm going to search for lazy and see what comes up. Go to elements and just type in lazy. Oh, okay, this is really cool. I can choose this. Okay, maybe I will put a chef's hat on top of him also. Okay, just change the color of this. Alright, okay, this looks kind of cute. Okay, and I want to give this guy a hat, a chef's hat. Let's see how it looks. Okay, there are quite a few over here. We don't want to use transparent stuff. We want to use something that is... Okay, this one looks cute. Okay, use that. I'm going to rotate, resize, and adjust it on this fellow's head. Okay, looking good already. Okay, this looks like a very simple logo. Actually, I kind of like it. Very simple and a minimalistic logo is actually quite nice. Okay, I want to adjust it properly. This looks way too in this head. Okay, this looks kind of nice. Okay, I am going to just do a curve of this and see how it looks. Maybe curve a little bit more, and you can position the the guy in front of it, or in at the bottom, not at the top. Okay, something like this. Now, okay, I'm going to group the hat and the silhouette together so that they will move together as one. Just go and select both of them and type press Command G, and then you will be able to move them together. They will be grouped, and then I'm going to arrange this. Okay, this looks nice, but once we get the, I just want to get the dimensions right. We'll just rotate this a little bit. Okay, looking kind of nice. Okay, I'm going to group them all together and resize it and position them. Okay, this is one piece of logo that I will be happy to share with a client, but I want to give them more options, maybe of the same sort, but not like this. Maybe I will do something a little different. Maybe I won't curve the font. I just leave it as it is and see how it goes. I'm going to add a page, or maybe just duplicate this and remove the effect of this. I'll just remove it. No shape. Okay, so just have to make sure the thing is on one line. Okay, I'm going to resize it and I'm going to bring it down. Okay, cool. Okay, bring it down. I think this looks a bit more nicer. Okay, I'm going to group them together. So I have like 3 options now. So this one, I'm going to duplicate this and I'm going to do this on a white background and see how it looks. Okay, I'm just going to change it to another color because everything else is white, and if I change the background to white, I won't be able to see anything. So once I change it to another color, I can just change the color of each element. So if it allows you to do it separately, do it separately, or if it allows you to do it together, do it together. Sometimes the images and the fonts you can't edit together, so you have to do them separately. Okay, so this is the black version, so now I will change the color of the background to white and see how it looks. Okay, this looks nice. I'm going to duplicate this and see how it looks. Maybe the hat version, I want to change it. Maybe it will become black and white, so it will look kind of nice. Okay, so yeah, so this is like a variation of that. So now I will be able to present this. Okay, so if you want an animated logo, you can do it over here as well. In Canva, you can edit or add animation to the entire design or each of the elements separately. You can do that. So I will show you how you will be able to do that. I'm going just going to duplicate this and I'm going to animate this logo for you to see. I'm just going to animate this whole thing. Once you click on animate, you'll be able to see a lot of combinations, so play around with it and see how it goes. Click on it and play it so that you will see how it turns out. Okay, it's kind of cute. I think the pop and the stomp is kind of good. Block is also good. Neon is nice. No, pop is good. Pop and stomp is good. Okay, once you decide what you want to do, how you want to animate, just click on it and you're good to go. But if you don't want to animate this entire thing, you can choose to animate each individuals separately. So I will show you that also. Okay, just going to remove the animation over here. Okay, so I'm going to select the elements separately. Okay, so I'm just going to choose the figure. Okay, and I'm going to click on animate, and from here I'm going to click on stomp or pop. Okay, when I do this, we can see that you have options in the animate section. You can do both on enter or on exit, so you can choose that. And for this lazy cook, I want to animate it such that it has a block, so a block will reveal the letter, something like that. I've seen that before, but I don't see it now. Okay, wait. No, it's not here. It's not here. Okay, let me find out where it is. I want that. Not the drift. No, not this. Okay, where did it go? Yes, it's here. Bold. Okay, this is called the block effect, and it looks kind of nice. And from here you can do it. You can change the color of your block. You can change it to any color, your brand color, your whatever color you want. Okay, it will look super cute. So you decide what you want to use, and you can decide whether you want it both on exit or as well as on enter, or you can just keep it on enter and it will look really good also. So that is how you create a logo in Canva, and that is how you animate your logo. So play around with it and see how easy it is to work in Canva. Okay, I'm going to just rename all my logo pieces that I have created over here, and I will show you how you can save it in your PC, or how you can share it with your client or your teammates. So once you are ready, okay, there is this button share at the top right hand corner. Yeah, top right hand corner. When you click on it and scroll down a little bit, you'll see a download button. Click on it. Firstly, you don't want to use the MP4 as yet, you want to use PNG file. And from here, don't click on transparent, because we want to download the black and the white background ones first. So I'm just going to choose the pages. Sorry, it's 6 and 7. We'll just choose it. Okay, just scroll down and choose 6 and 7 will do. See, white on black SG and black on white PG. Okay, so that is how you do it, and then click on done and download, and you will be able to download these two files separately. And then you want a transparent file, and the transparent one is number 8. I can download that, and you have to click on the transparent background and then click on download, so you'll be able to download a transparent file. If you want to download the animation, you can either do it in MP4 video, or you can do a GIF file. You just have to select your pages, click on the file tab, and then click on download. That's it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.